Hello, sir. Myself, Jashwant. First of all, I have to thank you for giving this type of opportunity. From this activity, I found that I learned other than subject unrelated to it, the subject. And once again, thank you, sir. And we are expecting the same in the future.
Hello guys, I am Lalit Kumar S. First of all, I would like to thank Jai Ganesh sir to providing me this opportunity. I have learned many things by this activity. I have learned that I have these kind of skills and talent in me in creating these kind of questions. I would like to have more activities like this. Thank you.
Welcome all, I am Loganathan. Actually, this kind of platform is very useful for us. This helps us to gain more knowledge in that particular concepts rather than reading a particular book. Also, this helps us to refresh our thoughts in that subjects in an efficient way. So, I once again thank my tutor, Mr. Jai Ganesh sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity for us. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone. First of all, I thank Jai Ganesh sir giving this opportunity to make the subject to be a fun part and learned a quite good of knowledge, and it helped me in recollecting the topics which are already done, and I haven't remembered those topics much. It helped me very good in remembering those again, and I would prefer making this method of learning will improve the students' knowledge and interactivity with the subject. This would help student to easily remember the concepts or at least have a brief about the concepts.